It's chicken farmers against Team Canada swimmers for the national championship.
Whose chicken recipe is going to win your heart and your votes?
As high-level athletes, chicken is a big part of our everyday diet.
We definitely know our way around a chicken recipe.
Game on. Time to sink or swim.
That's kind of our specialty.
So first off, we're gonna poach our chicken. Add a generous scoop of salt to the water. And you wanna let that poach in boiling water for approximately 10 minutes or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees. Today we're making a chicken, wild rice, and mushroom phyllo pie. It's my favorite. My grandpa always used to make it for me.
So today we're making the cheesy spinach chicken pierogi casserole.
I'm gonna slice the chicken breast here, and I'm gonna dice it.
In all seriousness, it's an honor to be sharing the kitchen with two members of the Canadian national swim team.
I don't know, I've been swimming since I was 6, so you don't hear me bragging about it.
Our chicken's all done. Chicken is Canada's #1 protein choice.
And today it's going into Canada's #1 chicken recipe.
And just cut it up into bite-sized pieces.
I've already sliced the mushrooms, and now I'm going to take the kale and I'm going to shred it.
And then immediately we're gonna add those sliced and diced onions.
We eat a lot of chicken.
It gives us the protein we need to perform in the pool. It smells delicious.
Amazing.
And your coarsely chopped kale. And the onion. Give that a stir until it all wilts together.
And now we're gonna lay out the pierogies.
Okay, we're going to add the wild rice, which comes from Saskatchewan. That's already cooked.
And next we'll add the diced chicken.
We're farmers and we're family.
Sorry, swimmers. You can't compete with that.
Next, we're gonna add some spinach.
And some chicken broth. It's coming together now.
Looks good.
Then give that a stir.
So we're just gonna be mixing in a few herbs with our cheese.
Okay, we take a phyllo sheet and we lightly oil it.
So we're gonna put half of that cheese and herb mixture right on top.
Next, we're gonna add the chicken.
And just lightly press it in to make our crust.
And we add 6 of them to the pie.
I should probably start practicing my acceptance speech.
2 down, no tears.
Ooh, doing good.
What are you guys making on this side of the counter over here?
The winning dish.
Hashtag no chance.
And then you're gonna top that off with the rest of that marinara sauce.
Am I doing this right?
Your recipe doesn't look like it's really working out over there.
That's all right. There's a participation medal for you anyways.
Looking good.
And then you just take your excess phyllo and you pull it up and you do little fancy things with it.
Fancy.
Well, Toddy, I think we made a great dish here. Chicken and phyllo pie. Can't beat that.
I agree. And we'd like to give a big shout out to the swimmers. Congratulations on coming in second.
Yes. Well, that's adorable, but I think our chicken pierogi casserole is an easy #1.
Dang, yeah, this looks good. I think winner, winner, chicken dinner.
We need you at home to decide the winner.
Share your opinion on which chicken recipe you think is best.
You can vote on our Facebook page or on Twitter.
Voting is open until September 13th.